So sometimes babies will get hiccups. It's just a natural occurrence, but like humans, you can usually scare it away from them pretty quickly. So the first option is to just sort of do a quick hand motion. So here we go. Didn't quite scare him. The other option is you can sort of tell, give a quick little scary noise here. So boo usually will do it. So boo. Woo. Didn't quite work. If that doesn't work perfectly, there are a couple other options to really scare him. So yeah, you can quickly sort of take away the pacifier. That sometimes will help. So here we go. Scare it out of him. Didn't quite work. So the fourth option is if you just quickly just take off the shirt. Sometimes that'll simulate fear as well. So bummer. So maybe try these again on repeat if you really want to try. Ooh, bummer. You can also have him watch C-SPAN. Sometimes that will also scare him. But ooh, yeah, we're getting a lot of hiccups here. But yeah, so try again tomorrow.